Good evening, students. Today, I would like to explain some important 2-mark sums. So here, the first sum is find LCM and HCF of the following integers by the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. See, we have three numbers. Those are one is 12 and 15 and 18. Here three numbers are there. Here we have expressed these three numbers with factors. See here 12 as expressed as 4 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. Like that, 2 into 2 means here 2 square. 3 means 3 power 1. So here 12 can be expressed as 2 power 2 into 3 power 1. In the same way, here 15 is expressed as 3 into 5. It means 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. In the same way, 18 also, 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. It means, I think, 2 into 3 into 3 means 9. 2 into 9 or 18. So that's why this 18 is expressed as 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. So now we are finding out HCF. So here in HCF, actually we know the process. In our previous class, we have discussed about what is HCF. How can we find HCF? A product of the smallest power of each common prime factors of the numbers. Once again, I am reading. Product of smallest powers of each common prime factors of the numbers. So here in this sum, product of common factor. Here common factors once again just look here. 3 here in this 3 is factor and 3 also and 3 also. 3 3 3 in all places 3's are there. So 3 is the common factor to this and its powers are lowest. So HCF means here HCF is 3 power 1. So this is the smallest power. So 3 is the HCF of 12, 15 and 18. 12, 15 and 18. Now we are finding out LCM. See here LCM means here product of greatest power of each prime factors. Here LCM means product of greatest power of each prime factors of numbers. Here each prime factors of numbers and greatest power is important. We have to pick out greatest powers from the prime factors. See here now we are observing, actually we have done in finding out HCF. 12 is we have expressed as 2 power 2 into 3 power 1 and 15 is 3 power 1 into 5 power 1 and 18 is 2 power 1 into 3 square. So here 2 square into 5 power 1 into 3 square. 2 square means 4 and 5 power 1 means 5 and 3 square means 9. So is equal to 180. 180 is the LCM. See, once LCM and HCF, these all concept wise explained in our further classes. Each concept we will take some best time to explain the topic. That's why I am not explaining about LCM and HCF here clearly. Okay. Now we are in second sum. Expand log 343 by 125. Here log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. This is our formula. As per our formula, just log 343 by 125 has written like this. See here in the place of A, log 343 has come. in the place of b, log 125 has come. Okay, log a by b means log a minus log b. So here 343 log 343, 125 log 125. So once again 343 can be written as in the form of factorization, prime factorization. So 7 into 7 into 7 will come. 749's first 343, and then again 49 can be written as 7 sevens. So that's why we get 7 cube. In the same way, we can express 125 also in the form of 5 cube. Okay, same 125 here you have to write 5 25s and then 5 5s. Like that you will express 125 as 5 cube. Here 7 log 7 cube minus log 5 cube. Here we have another logarithmic formula is there. By using this formula, we can express log 7 cube minus log 5 cube as like this. See here, like this. Here power of 7 is 3. That 3 come to the coefficient place. So 3 into log 7. In the same way, here 3 is the power. The same 3 comes down to coefficient of log 5. So by using these logarithmic laws, we can express this sum like this. Here 3 and 3 are common, and log 7 here and log 5 also here. Log 7 will come like this and log 5 will come like this. So 3 is the common factor for both these. So we got the answer 3 into log 7 minus log 5. And then the next sum is evaluate log 7.5 in terms of x and y. So if it is given x is log 3 base 2 and y is log 5 base 2. Once again I am reading, evaluate log 7.5 base 2 in the terms of x and y. So here x is given like this and y is given like this. So first we are finding out the value of log 7.5 base 2. So here I am writing 7.5 as 15 by 2. Here whenever we do half of 15, we get 7.5. That's why I have written like this only. And see here, if you observe this, log a by b, this is in the form of log a by b. This is in the form of log a by b. See, whenever we see the formula log a by b, log a minus log b, log a minus log b. So like that only, in the place of a we have 15, in the place of b we have 2. So log a in the place of a 15, in the place of b 2. So log 15 minus log 2. And the same I have written here. See, once again I am writing this 15. I am writing this 15 as 3 into 5. 3 into 5. So by using, we have another formula, log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. So here one see here log 2 base 2. Here whenever the number and the base are equal, the answer will be 1. Okay, and here log 3 into 5 means log 3 plus log 5, this one. So this is the answer we will get. See here, now we come to next sum, that is explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. So we have to prove these two numbers are composite numbers. So here first given number I have written here 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. So here in both these two terms 13 is the common factor. So here one see, I have written 13 as 13 into 1. So here 13 and 13 are common factor to these terms. So 13 comes out. And here 7 into 11 will be written here. And 1 also same like this. So 13 is comes out same, and 7 11s are 77 and 1. So 13 is like same like this. 77 plus 1 is 78. So 13 into 78. Actually this complete expression is no need. Here 13 into 78. Actually we know the meaning of composite number. Here composite number means that should not be a prime number and that should not be a 1. 1 and prime number should not be there in composite numbers. So here once it has other way also to express this composite numbers. That way is a number which have more than 2 factors. Those 2 factors means 1 and itself. Other than these 2 factors, if a number has any other factor, that number can be called as composite number. Here the number 13 into 78. The number 13 into 78. Just once you look at here. 13 into 78. This here 13 is one factor to this number and 78 is another factor. So 13 into 78 we get some answer. That answer also another factor to this number. So here we have more than 2 factors. Those 2 factors means 1 and itself. Here 1 also one of the factors of this 13 into 78. That's why we can say 13 into 78 is a composite number. Okay. Here this expression is no need. So just I have written as a prime factorization. Actually this was no need. We can express here only because this number has more than 2 factors here only. You no need to do all these things. See. And then another sum like this way only, that is given number, another number 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Here 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 into 1. Here 5 is common in both terms. So 5 is written here. And 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And this one is like this here. This one I didn't write here. And one thing, 5 into this all value of something. We no need to calculate this value of this. See here 5 is one factor and this value is another factor. So it has also more than 2 factors. So that's why here it is also a more than 2 factors other than 1 and itself. 1 and itself other than 1 and itself. So that's why this number can be called as a composite number. See, before going to next sum, just we need to know a little expression. Here it is x is equal to a power b. I think a power b means here this is an exponential form. And here log x base a is equal to b. This is logarithmic form. See here exponential form can be changed to logarithmic form. So how can we change this? So here we know here a means a is the base, and in logarithmic form also a can be called as base. So here the place of a in both stages, a is the base place and here b is the exponent place. That should be settled after is equal to, b should be settled after is equal to, and x should be settled near log. Okay, base in the base and power after is equal to, and x in the place of beside x. So here I will explain some example sums regarding this formula and then go to this sum. See, in that, see here 3 power 5 is equal to 243. one sum related to that expression. See here, a power b is equal to x. A is in the place of base and a also in the place of base, and exponential place b is settled after is equal to, and x will be settled before, near the log. See here 3 is in base place, 3 goes to base place, and 4 will be settled after is equal to, and 243 will be settled near log. The same way, next question, 2 power 10 is equal to 24. So 2 power 10 is equal to 24. See, so a power b is equal to x, as usual our formula, how it can changed. So here in the place of a 2, in the place of b 10, in the place of x 1024. See here, in the place of a 2, in the place of x 1024, in the place of b 10. See the same expression. First we have to keep in our mind these 2 points. So once again I am expressing, just listen carefully. A is in the form of base, and here also a is in the form of base, and exponential place should be settled after is equal to, and this x will settle near log. These points you need to keep in your mind. Related to these logarithmic forms, we have one sum. I think it should be appear like a difficult, but it is not a difficult. See here in this question, 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. Find the value of this. Just I am assuming, let these all value should be x. Just I am taking as assumption. So here I am changing this into the logarithmic form. So here 2 is in the place of base. 2 is in the place of base, and 2 also here. And what I told you in our previous assumption here, the power 2 plus log 3 base 2 should be settled after is equal to. Okay, after is equal to, and this value should be settled near log. So like that, this expression has changed to like this. This expression completely changed to like this. So by using this we are solving the sum. See here, the same expression I have written here. See, log x base 2 is equal to 2 plus log 3 base 2. Now I have written the same expression here, and one thing, the same log 3 base 2 has written here. Here this is plus, this is changed to minus because it comes to this side. It comes to this side. I will explain you later why this plus changed as minus. Okay, is equal to this 2 is same like that only. See, here we have one formula regarding logarithms, minus. See, log x base 2 minus log 3 base 2 can be written as in the form of log x by 3. Okay, log x by 3. This is our previous formulas are there. We have learned 3 formulas, nearly 3 formulas, just 3 formulas using in these sums. In that formula, second one is this formula. This formula has used in our previous sum also, 7.5 log 7.5. We have written it as 15 by 2. In that sum we have used that formula. Use that, by using that formula, like change like this. And here, see, here this is in logarithmic formula, it changed to exponential formula. So this is reverse. What you have learned, that is reverse to that. So 2 power 2 is equal to x power 2 power 2 is equal to x by 3. So 4 is equal to x by 3. X is equal to, please do subscribe, like, share, and drop your valuable comments. Thank you very much, children.